gosh, he's coming, he's coming. They're like, excuse me, hello, what you got here? Don't you have a food over there? Hi!
Guys.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hello!
We're gonna get in here a little bit.
She comes. Where is it? I don't know. Where'd she go? Emma ran away.
Like I said, she gets pushed around.
Oh, baby.
They're all
Oh my God, it's so cute. What is this done? Oh, come on, baby. There's another baby coming in here. Oh, Emmy, you love, you feed him, I feed that. No, this is the same food. This, excuse me, no, you have to eat from a cup.
All right, we're gonna back up a little bit.
Back up. Oh my goodness. So cute.
Yeah, these guys literally.
I'm so sorry.
Right out of your
I'm
hand.
so sorry. I'm so sorry. I mean, raise your hand forward. I mean, raise your hand. I'll come to you. Oh my God! Look at the white one here, Emil. Hi.
Yeah.
Oh, bon appetit, bon appetit. Emu here. There you go. There you go, Mama. Yum. I love your hair. What a beautiful style. Hi, baby. Do you chew? No. Talk about her beautiful neck.
I don't think we have when we
Good
yesterday we
girl,
found
good
these two sets
girl,
of birds
Mama,
out here.
good girl. Look how cute you
These
are.
came off the axis here.
So cute.
And then a month later they just fall off.
Oh, it is. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Wait for me.
We can.
No, we're fine. We're fine.
Get a big scoop. Get a big scoop.
Oh my gosh.
Way high, way high.
Oh my goodness. Here he comes. Oh, big scoop, big scoop, big scoop. Baby feeding you? Huh?
Not quite ready yet.
Oh, yeah, I did. Oh my
That
goodness.
big old tongue.
Oh, yeah, so yum. Oh.
All right, we're gonna pull up a little bit.
Hi. Oh, this is gonna be hard for you to eat from the cup. When we put it on the floor, baby. Wait. It's not comfortable. You guys are so cute. Wait, hello. This is hi.
We don't know, but we suspect potentially that this one.
It's so hard.
I need a refill.
Go grab it. Go refill it. Oh,
If we put the bucket down, they'll take the whole bucket from you.
You do that. Wait, is pregnant, Mama. Oh, did it tickle you? Did it tickle you? Did you tickle you, my son?
I stay in an RV site, and these guys will come shake my RV all the time in the middle of the night.
Where is
They
Mama?
like to try to go under it.
What are you guys doing? 1 second. No fighting. No fighting, please.
Stand directly behind you.
Oh, so cute.
Gotcha.
She's so cute. Look at them. Where's Mama? Don't pull the bucket. Look at it. Don't let it go. Stop it.
Take it from them.
So adorable.
Here.
So cute.
It's like the donkey from Shrek.
I know. So adorable. I see that. Oh, be sweet. Oh, she's done. Oh, so cute. You're so cute. Let me see that. They're coming. They're coming. waiting to be fed? Are you waiting to be fed? Oh no, it's still so cute.
The guy I had on my tour yesterday, though, he loved it. He just kept eating out of his hand.
Yeah, who made that sound? Cute hairstyle you got. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, matches with your cute ears.
The whole bucket.